because I may not know where I'm going to get my money 2 years from now yet, because say I'm applying in November, I'll get the money next year in July, and so how will I know, like in 2 years from now, who's going to give me money? How detailed should that be?
Yeah, so thank you, it's a great.
Yo, all this is the same day. Picture that. Woke up, went to a conference, and now same day.
Where we stay in New Jersey is a bit late.
You know, my bag has my bag.
Yeah. The money they give out to
Yeah. Like,
It's just a place where you walk, but I'm not seeing how to get in. Oh yeah, should be this.
maybe elevators. This thing has a
my cameraman today, guys. Just clap for Kafika Zipoli.
And now comes Rasula.
take some also with a flash. A flash is super.
You have dedicated life to content creation. You're going to pay for my train. My water thing.
Oh man.
I found out that these restaurants are the same similar price.
Yeah. I found out about that in Toronto.
The what?
That here things are standardized.